Did you know that you can drag and drop without dropping your needle? Keep watching and we'll show you how. Welcome to Handi Quilter Watch and Learn. I'm Kim Sandberg and
I'm Kristina Whitney.
And today we are professional pro stitcher users.
Yes.
Is that a good title for us today?
That is a great title.
Okay, I like that title. So today you're gonna show us something that is one of your favorite things to do, which is
repositioning using drag and drop without putting the needle in the quilt.
Mm-hmm. It is possible.
It is.
All right, why don't you show us how?
Okay, well, let's first of all talk about what's here on the quilt. Mm-hmm. So I've already started doing my quilting. Mm-hmm. I'm doing an edge to edge, and I've stitched out a row, and I advanced my fabric, but I forgot to put my needle in and do my drag and drop. So I've lost my positioning on my screen. So I'm gonna have to reposition it. And you can do this at any point. Like, let's say you bring a design in partway through the quilting and you have to reposition your design. You can use the same technique. And for today, we're working in Pro Stitcher Lite on our Moxie XL, but it applies to all of our Pro Stitchers.
Yep. Exactly the same. Exactly the same.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring this machine over here. And I'm gonna pick a spot that I've already quilted. So I'd like a nice point. Curves are kind of hard to get really accurate, but I want that point there. So you can see that point. So if we look up at the screen, you can see that our crosshairs are not at that same spot on the design as where my needle is on the quilt. So that tells me that it is messed up and I need to fix it. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I've got this spot on the quilt that I can get my needle to, but I want to find that spot on my design on the screen. So I'm going to look up at the screen now, and I'm going to zoom in really close. It's this little spot right there. That's the spot that I chose on my quilt top. So I'm going to move my move my crosshair to that point on the design. And now I want to attach that design to the crosshairs. So I'm going to hit my drag button. Now as I move my machine, the design is moving with it, and I'm going to just drag it up to that same spot that I picked at the very beginning. Get it as close as I can. When it's in position, I'm going to hit my drop button, and I'm going to refresh so we can see. And I'm going to pick a couple other places just so I can double check. So we'll check that one. I'm going to look up at the screen, and my crosshairs are now matching up with my design, which tells me my design is now in position.
That's really simple.
Yeah, should we do it again?
Sure, let's do it one more time.
Okay, I'm going to hit cancel here. We're going to do teenage son issues. Where you have your select turned on your screen and you accidentally touch something and oh goodness.
Or you walk by and swipe.
Yep, people like to do that, so swipe. Now you'll notice in our screen here that we've got this red box. That is the frame space. And that is, for Pro Stitcher Lite, you have to have that set up. The pink box is our area and the design is the design, okay? And the orange crosshair is what?
The needle.
The needle, okay. So I can't move the needle all the way over to that design necessarily. So I am going to take my finger with select turned on. I'm going to just kind of drag that design back towards my needle so that I'm in the ballpark. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now we're going to do the same exact steps we just did. Using that point that I picked. Or we could be wild and crazy and pick a different point. Just somewhere that you can get the machine to that you've already quilted. Okay, and that is, let's see, 1, 2, third over on the first row. So let's find third over on the first row on our screen, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to move my crosshairs by moving my machine, and I'm only looking at the screen right now. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer. How's that?
Looks good.
Okay, hit the drag button. Move the machine over to my quilt top. Move the machine to the spot on the quilt top, how about we say that? And then hit drop. And I'm going to refresh. And we're back in position.
And ready to go?
Just how we want it.
Perfect.
Yep. With this instance, though, we'd have to change our start point so that we would start on the second row rather than the first row. Quick and easy.
Yeah, quick and easy.
So-
Definitely an awesome tip.
Yep. Pick a spot. Get the crosshairs to that spot on the screen. Hit the drag button. Move the machine so that the needle's at the spot on the quilt. Hit the drop button. That's it.
Simple, simple, simple.
Jinx.
I know. Well, thanks for that great tip, Kristina. That is going to make it so much easier repositioning when I have my teenage son walk by and do his little swipe trick.
Exactly.
Be sure to give us a like and subscribe, and have fun quilting.